Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kelsey, the Homemade Millennial, and today we're going to be making 3 DIY spice blends. There are a few reasons that I like to make my own spice blends. Number 1, it saves you money by doing it yourself. Number 2, you are also controlling your ingredients. If you have a dietary restriction such as gluten, there are a lot of spice blends that will sneak in some form of gluten or flour. I try to control my salt intake. All 3 of these are going to be gluten-free. And number 3, these make great gifts. So today we're going to be making a taco seasoning, an Italian seasoning, and a Cajun seasoning. And as always, if you haven't already, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And by pressing the notification bell, it will let you know every time I upload and you won't miss my videos. And please give this a like if you enjoy these kinds of videos. Let's go ahead and get started with our first seasoning. Now, if you have a small or a larger mason jar, you can definitely use that. What I'm going to be doing today is repurpose some old spice containers. I just clean them out, take the label off, put a little essential oil if you have any stickiness going on, and it'll take it right off. And I'm going to be using a small funnel today just to make sure I don't make a major mess here. I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup of chili powder, 1/8 of a cup of onion powder, a tablespoon of ground cumin, a tablespoon of garlic, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and this is optional, but I'm just going to put a couple of dashes of cayenne pepper. I'm just going to screw on the lid and give it a good shake. And there is your DIY taco seasoning. Next, for our Cajun seasoning, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. For the cayenne pepper, if you like it a little spicier, you can use a whole tablespoon, or if you want to be a little bit more conservative on the heat, just use a 1/2 tablespoon. A 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of paprika. This is also optional, but I'm going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Put the lid on that and give that a shake as well. And you're done with your DIY Cajun seasoning. And lastly, for the Italian seasoning, tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of basil, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and you are done with your Italian seasoning blend. And here's what they look like after I put some Dollar Tree labels on them. I put the date that they were created, the name, and how to use them. Thank you guys again for coming back to my kitchen, and leave me a comment down below of a spice blend that you like to make of your own. And remember to like this video if you enjoy it. I'd really appreciate it. It'll help my channel out. And until I see you guys again, have a great week.